Meet Air Selfie 2, the first HD pocket-sized flying camera ever created. So thin and light, you can use it everywhere you go. Enhance your phone with the ultimate photo and video accessory. Taking selfies becomes easier and even funnier. So revolutionary that adapts to every lifestyle. Share images on your social media has never been so quickly through the easy-to-use app. Advanced technologies and high-quality components embedded into a ultra-durable case. Create amazing memories of your best moments with Air Selfie 2. Its anti-vibration and in-flight stability systems always guarantee great video and photos. Available in 4 different colors to suit your personality. Air Selfie 2. Small is the new big.
Let's Dobby.
This is a very small selfie drone. It can even be charged by a power bank. Weighs only 199 grams, 0.4 millimeters thick. Also reduced the core board by 90%. Small means this is a selfie drone that can be put into your pocket. You only need 5 minutes and you can become a drone expert. Use the app on your cell phone to make it fly. When it takes off on your palm, it's Dobby. And you can do this, and you can do that. Voice manipulated. Tap to take off. Wow! Also toss it to fly. It is very small, but it resists the wind. It flies freely both indoors and outdoors. And it can even hover inside. So you can take clear selfies in different scenes. The picture is so vivid. Real-time mode, continuous mode, time-delayed mode, and appearance advanced mode. Of course, it has excellent performance on video shooting too. You can easily control it all through your cell phone. So, those photos are synchronized to your cell phone photo album in real time. One key to share to your favorite social media. The power of regular drones and the power of Dobby to go beyond them. Well, it is small, but not too small to carry gifts, to bring surprises to loved ones. It can show off, one-click rolling. Dobby can fly by gesture control. It detects and tracks your face. It can automatically follow moving objects. Even if you shake it unintentionally, it automatically adjusts to stable shooting. Unprecedented cool experience, all integrated in this palm-sized pocket Dobby. This is the future in your hands. Another interesting function is automatic trajectory video shooting, which is used in classical movies. Yes, this is Dobby, a portable selfie drone that allows you unlimited creativity. Let Dobby shine your life.
You see? Amazing, isn't it? This is the Air Selfie, the only portable flying camera integrated into your mobile phone cover. Micro and ultra light, it comes with its very own device for storage and charging, with an easy one-hand control from its own app. Where did the idea come from? Well, I'll show you. Look at this, what an epic day out! A bona fide selfie time, as they say. Just need to squeeze a teeny bit. No, never mind. A more manageable group. Just two guys, actually, that want to take a selfie to remember this wonderful place. Well, I guess they can just describe the view to their friends back home, right? Okay, one more try. This time a good old barbecue outside on a sunny day with lots of friends. Let's try the selfie stick strategy. Still can't fit everybody in. Annoying situations, am I right? We've all been there, buddy. That's how Air Selfie was born. A perfect team gathered together, working in London, Milan, and Shanghai to combine microflying technologies, ultralight HD cameras with in-flight stability systems. Air Selfie can travel in a 20-meter radius and hovers for up to 3 minutes. It's easily controllable from both iOS or Android smartphone apps. It's only 52 grams and it slots into its phone cover and recharges. So what if the guys had an Air Selfie with them? They make it hover, find the perfect angle, and leave the controls. Finally, snap an amazing photo with the Selfie Delay Timer mode while it is autonomously flying and keeping its position in the air. Awesome! What about the two explorers? They'd select the classic flying mode from the 3 options available. Control Air Selfie through the app by holding the phone horizontally and take both memorable photos and videos. And what would have happened at the barbecue? Enough with the squeezing. Just select the selfie mode. Use only 2 buttons to find the right distance to shoot and take a great picture. What about an indoor location? Whatever it may be, a party at somebody's house or a night out in a club, there are no issues. Air Selfie flies easily. It's simple to control and very safe. And once you shoot a great picture, don't keep it to yourself. It's so easy to share it right from your phone. As easy as grabbing the Air Selfie safely while it's still hovering in the air. So this is Air Selfie, the only portable flying camera integrated into your mobile phone cover. Ready to explore new perspectives? Let's take a look at its technical features. Power bank inside its own custom phone cover. A battery that charges itself in only 30 minutes. 5-megapixel HD video camera to shoot social media optimized images. Sophisticated sensors and its own Wi-Fi control unit. In-flight stability systems to hover autonomously. The smallest and most powerful brushless motors. It's safe to grab while it's still hovering. And of course, its own 4GB micro SD memory. Ultra light with a solid Italian designed case. Compact and easy to carry with you anywhere you go. Ready for the revolution? Air Selfie is on Kickstarter. Help us to get it into production. Become an Air Selfie ambassador by pre-ordering now.